Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigiDevice. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix audio only playing from one side of headphones on Mac. So if you are using a Bluetooth headphones and all the sound is coming from only one left or only right side, the issue is not be with your headphones. Sometimes the audio balance on your Mac is accidentally shifted to one side, which cause the sound play through only one ear. Before replacing your headphones, it's worth checking this setting because it only takes a few seconds to fix. So first click on the Apple logo and choose system settings. Now go to sound and make sure you are in output section. Now make sure your headphones are selected as a current output device and now find the balance slider. If it has been moved toward either left or right side, drag it back to center. This restores equal audio output to both sides of your headphones, and after that play a music track or video to test both sides of headphones. And if you're using Bluetooth headphones, you can also disconnect and reconnect them before testing again. And if the issue is not resolving yet, restart your Mac once and check the headphones again. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.